Hi, my name is Melissa Tarazona, Street 3. I speak where you can plan for your next vacation. Where are you want to travel? I will travel in the holiday of January. What city place are you want to visit? I will visit the city of Medellin. Where are you want to stay? I will stay at the hostel Casa en el Cielo since it is comfort. I alone made to be close in the tourist area. What are you want to wear? I will wear comfortable clothes because the city was over climate. Well, Harry don't want to invite to travel. I will travel with a friend. What activity will you do in the place? We will visit some parks of the Botero Square and the Barefoot Park. Other places as the Botanical Garden and the Polito Paisa. How much money will you spend there? I will spend and go money for a full vacation. Will you bring and sovereign from your vacations? Of course, some sovereigns to talk to parents and some friends. Thank you.